Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix call waiting not showing in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you expect your iPhone call waiting to be activated, or you don't know how to make call waiting active on your phone, then this is what you need to do. First, open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now scroll down the apps page until you get to the phone app, and then click on it. Scroll down the phone app until you get to call waiting. Click on it. Now, if call waiting is not enabled, just make sure you toggle this button on call waiting to on. And if you want to turn off call waiting, just toggle off the call waiting button. So you can use this to fix call waiting not working or to stop call waiting on your iPhone. And then you are good. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.